Euphemism. A euphemism is a word or phrase that is used to describe something unpleasant, impolite, or taboo in a less offensive way. Examples: Euphemistic expression: between the jobs, meaning unemployed; curvy, fat; correctional facility, prison. Euphemistic expression: underprivileged, poor; taken into custody, arrested; issues, problems. Euphemistic expression: on the streets, homeless; pass away, die; causalities, people killed or injured. Pre-owned, meaning second hand; senior citizen, old person; sanitation worker, garbage